Hey guys and girls, some more information for you all. First off, today is the first day of a new grading period, and we have received instruction from admin in terms of how to proceed with the grades. So as of today, actually, we have been instructed to go ahead and start pushing out your grades from Google Classroom into Aries. So expect to see that today. I also had a chance to take a look at your surveys, and for the most part, it seems like the majority of you are most comfortable with about 2 assignments per week. So I'm going to try to stick to that. Depending on the content, I may have to adjust that from time to time. So just keep that in mind. I also received some other helpful suggestions. One, for example, was to post an agenda of the assignments that are to be completed that week. I'll go ahead and start doing that. I will also try to incorporate the agenda into these videos that I'm posting for you all once a week. And then I had some other questions regarding like tests and quizzes. We are still going to do tests and quizzes. You're going to do them on your own, and they will be open note, open book. So with that said, sophomores, today or this week you will be doing a World War II documentary with a questionnaire, and then you'll have a quiz. Seniors, you will be working on presidential nominations. You have a section to read, and then you're going to create a Google slide presentation for that section. And then economics, you will have a section to read and a guided reading worksheet to complete. Please don't forget to turn in when you're done. And as always, email me if you have any questions, and have fun.